Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to present my research proposal. The title of my research is The Use of Fill in the Blank Exercise in Teaching English Vocabulary to Elementary School Students Sri Sawa. Thanks you for the opportunity to present my research proposal. So now we move in research background. The reason I chose this topic is because vocabulary is the foundation of English language skill, and without sufficient vocabulary, students cannot communicate effective. And then this study is important because many elementary school students face challenges in learning vocabulary due to monotonous and teaching methods and lack of motivation. Recently, teachers have reported that students often forget new words quick and struggle to apply them in real context. Based on previous study, according to Al-Katani, Susanto, Putri, and Rahmawati, they concluded that fill in the blank exercise are proven to provide conceptual practice, enhance retention, and increase student motivation. The research problem of this study is there is significant effect of using fill in the blank exercise on elementary school student English vocabulary. This research attempts to investigate whether fill in the blank exercise can improve student vocabulary achievement, how this exercise affects student mastery of nouns, verb, and adjective. The objective of this research is to determine the effect of fill in the blank exercise on student vocabulary mastery. This study aims to measure improvement in vocabulary categories such as noun, verb, adjective, and adjective, and then provide empirical evidence on the effective fill in the blanks exercise in elementary school settings. Over practical recommendation for teachers to adopt interactive method in vocabulary teaching. Now we talk about scope of this study. This study focus on vocabulary mastery, especially noun, verb, and adjective. The scope of this research is limited to 5th grade students at Sri Sawa. This research does not cover other languages such as speaking, listening, or writing. It is also limited the use of fill in the blank exercise as the main teaching strategy without combine other methods. Research methodology. This research employs a quantitative method with a quasi-experimental design. The experimental group will be using fill in the blank exercise, and then the control group will be taught using conventional method, and then the participants of this study are 35 grade students, and then 50 experimental group, and then 15 in the control group. And then research instrument we use vocabulary tests to measure student mastery before and after treatment, observation, and then next observation sheet to record the student participant and motivation during learning activities. And then the data collection produced pre-tests will be conducted to assess student initial vocabulary knowledge. And then the treatment, we will given the experimental group of using fill in the blank exercise, while the control group receive conventional teaching. And then post-test will be admired to measure improvement in vocabulary mastery. Observation will be carried out during the learning process to evaluate student engaging. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.